In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove followers on your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu, and that's where first off we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to the page. To do that, we need to hit right here at this arrow, then just select page. And now once you are on a page, first off tap add pages profile picture to open it up. Here it will show you the number of your followers. I have 0 followers here. However, I can still tap right there add followers, and it will take me to that step. Actually, I don't have any followers here because this is a test page, but if you have them, you will see them listed here, and then you can click on the 3 dots to the right of the follower, and then in the pop-up at the bottom you will find the block option. And basically, guys, to remove follower from your page, you need to block them. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.